The reason why you are considering all these concerns is because you believe that the envelope is a bribe.
I invoke my
Do
right.
you agree?
I invoke my right.
Yes or no, ma'am?
It's kind of harsh word to use, bribe, because if
Or should I say, it is a means to influence your decision being the hope?
Same difference, pero lighter.
it could be,
You said yes to that?
It could be.
You said it could be.
Alam niyo mga kotsero, kailangan ng executive session para makuha yung impormasyon na yun. Etong si VP, meron siyang effort to discredit itong si Ma'am Mercado. Ano sinabi ni VP? Disgruntled employee lang yan. Huwag kayo magpapaniwalaan dyan. Galit lang sa akin yan, kaya ganyan yan. Ang pangit ng sagot ni VP. Kasi dapat ang sinagot niya yung allegations of an envelope. Pero ang sinagot niya ay naninira lang yan. An unfortunate event today for Sara Duterte.